Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can expand the background of your videos using CapCut PC. Sorry, photos I meant. So select your photo and you're just going to go to AI Stylize. Select style and you're either going to select autofill 1 or autofill 2. I think there's only autofill 2 for now. So it's under AI painting or under the trending one here in styles. So just select it and it's going to autofill. Okay, apparently I can't show you because I would need the CapCut Pro for it, but you're just going to select this autofill one. And it's going to basically fill the background. It's going to make like the picture a little bit smaller and it's going to fill the background with an AI background. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. It also shows here under video and it says AI expand here and you can just use that. Okay, hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.